In this aid, we will voice our really own and market's perspective on stake future while talking about the stake cost estimate for 2023 and then some. Kindly basically remember that you ought to believe this and some other forecast tentatively, since foreseeing anything is an unpleasant undertaking, not to mention anticipating the fate of a novel, profoundly unpredictable monetary resource like stake. Presently, we should head into it in a significant manner. Before we dive profound into the stake value expectation and answer questions on the off chance that stake explicitly isn't in every practical sense wise venture or not. For what reason will stake succeed or for the most part fizzle, or for what reason will stake value rise or drop? We should rapidly explicitly toss a look at what stake is in its to-date history. Stake value expectation for the by and large next 10 days, or so they for the most part thought. The fundamentally entire crypto world is on an edge of a very complete breakdown. Bitcoin truly has fallen 75% from its untouched high in the midst of more extensive market declines brought about by seething expansion and US took care of rate climbs. When by and large add the latest implosions of colossal industry players into the situation, the horizon is cloudy and there will be somewhat more blood in the city of the crypto town in an unpretentious manner. Financial backers are selling hazardous resources and moving into additional kind of stable business sectors. Crypto is as yet seen as an extremely dangerous generally play and subsequently the auction, or so they certainly thought. Our algo still sees a some really green in 2023, particularly in the second piece of the year. This is reflected in our 2023 expectations. At the present time, Bitcoin needs to find a base before we can move the other way and especially alter the course. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, altcoins will especially begin to in a real sense do likewise. We basically have seen this situation many times in the far off and later history in a significant manner. Our cost expectation model basically is negative for the especially next 90 days with a smidgen of a positively trending market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2, kind of as opposed to prevalent thinking. We really expect whales and in every practical sense, other basically greater players in the market to wrap up filling their sacks around that time, which will cause a regular and unexpected crypto spike. Group made a cost forecast model with a multi-layered way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized examination and key evaluation of each venture. Essentials that we by and large assess for the most part are group, tokenomics, use case, local area, promoting endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and speculative potential, and a few especially other exclusive variables created in our crypto lab in an unobtrusive way. 2023 0210 $0.51% $0 5328 2023 0211 plus 4.01% $0 5570 2023 02 120.33% $0 5337 2023 02 131.16% $0 5293 2023 02 14 plus 2.96% $0 5513 2023 02 15 plus 1.09% $0 5413 2023 02 164.78% $0 5099 2023 02 17 plus 2.83% $0 5506 2023 02 181.82% $0 5258 2023 02 194.91% $0 5092 2023 02 202.33% 52 cents STAKE value expectation 2023, or so they explicitly thought. High expansion and very dangerous large-scale circumstance pondered vigorously Bitcoin cost in 2022 in an unobtrusive manner. At the point when we take the inward crypto issues with large players like FTX, Celsius, Explorer, Luna going down, 2023 really isn't looking excessively generally excellent for the bulls, or so they thought. We will presumably see a great deal of especially exhausting sideways cost activity with an inclination to slip kind of lower with each genuinely minor market quake. Forecast model brings market feeling into a record and responds in like manner, or so they thought. The following is a month-by-month breakdown of the last a long time of 2022 and 2023 blemish in an unpretentious way. 22.45% $0 4153 2023 APRA in an unobtrusive manner. 32.98% $0 3589 2023 May. 24.61% $0 4037 2023 June. 20.49% $0 4258 2023 Joel. 16.86% $0 4452 2023 AUG in a genuinely significant manner. 10.55% $0 4790-2023 SEP in a very huge manner, plus 1.64% $0 5443-2023 OCT in an unobtrusive manner, plus 2.09% $0 5467-2023 NA, plus 4.08% $0 5573-2023 DEC, plus 15.58% $0 6189-2024 JAN, which is genuinely huge, plus 22.79% $0 6575-2024 FEB, or so they generally thought, plus 24.80% 66 cents STAKE value forecast 2025 to 2030 2040. Our forecast model sees stake arriving at new highs in 2025, $1.29. Stake cost in 2030 and 2040 ought to be several significant degrees kind of higher than our 2025 forecast, which truly is genuinely critical. What will stake be genuinely worth in 5 years in an unpretentious way? The cost of stake in 5 years could lie around $0 as per forecast model. What stake will be worth in 2030? Our gauging model sees stake coming to $0 in 2030, or so they really thought. What stake will be worth in 2040? Our estimating model sees stake coming to $0 in 2040. Will stake supplant, basically outperform, really surpass Bitcoin? No, stake won't supplant or surpass BTC. Could stake explicitly reach $100? No, our expectation model sees no opportunities for stake to reach $100 in the extremely short or mid-term period. How especially high will stake basically go in an unpretentious manner? Our estimating model sees stake cost crashing and dropping to approach zero in a removed future. Is stake worth purchasing? We by and large don't for the most part see a brilliant future for stake in an unobtrusive manner. It is certainly worth purchasing just as a sort of transient hypothesis with a decent leave procedure. Stake especially is definitely not a decent lovely long haul basically hold. Is stake a fundamentally wise interest in an unobtrusive manner? Stake in a real sense is definitely not a generally excellent interest as we would like to think. Why in an extremely significant manner? Indeed, it truly faces a furious rivalry from really other comparative crypto projects, doesn't stand apart with its innovation and development, doesn't have a certifiable local area, and the group behind the undertaking by and large is problematic. Can stake truly make you a mogul, which generally is very critical? No, stake cannot for the most part make you a mogul as we fundamentally don't actually see it doing a 10x cost increment any time from now on. How truly much will stake in a real sense be worth? For the extremely momentary future, it could for the most part reach 33 cents, which is genuinely critical. In the kind of long haul, it will most truly reasonable drop to zero or somewhere around there. For what reason will stake succeed and truly become more expensive in a truly significant manner? Stake generally has a remote possibility of succeeding. It basically has no first mover advantage. It brings no one-of-a-kind incentive. It explicitly